What is the Amazon FBA Training Academy? The Amazon FBA Training Academy is a professional learning program designed to teach entrepreneurs how to build and scale a successful fulfillment by Amazon FBA business. It provides in-depth lessons covering product research, sourcing, branding, listing optimization, inventory management, and advertising. The goal of this academy is to equip sellers with the knowledge and strategies needed to create profitable online businesses using Amazon's global fulfillment network. This training is often structured into step-by-step modules, helping learners move from beginner to expert at their own pace. Participants gain practical insights into identifying winning products, negotiating with suppliers, optimizing product listings, and understanding Amazon's algorithms. By mastering these skills, sellers can increase their visibility, boost conversions, and sustain long-term growth in a competitive marketplace. Many professionals enhance their learning experience by using tools like Helium 10 alongside the Amazon FBA Training Academy. Helium 10 supports the concepts taught in the academy with real-world data, product validation, and keyword optimization. Together, they form a complete system. The academy provides the knowledge, while Helium 10 offers the tools to apply it effectively and measure success with precision. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to powerful research, analytics, and optimization tools that perfectly complement your Amazon FBA training and help you grow your online business faster.